Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall any person be deprived the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizure of whatever nature and for purposes shall be inviolable. No search warrant and warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and person or things to be seized. Section 3. 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, and when public safety or order requires otherwise as may be prescribed by law. 2. Any evidence obtained to limitation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting religious establishment or prohibiting the free exercise. The free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination and preferences shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil and political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits of prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon the lawful order of the court. Neither shall the right to travel shall be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters to public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transaction, or decision, as well as the government research data used as basis for policy development, shall be afforded the citizen, subject such to limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sector, to form union, association, societies, of purposes not contrary to law, shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person of poverty. Any person by reason of poverty.